We have set up a demonstration to show the process of non-invasive pipe repair using a structural stent inflated into the pipe to repair any of a whole host of issues that can arise on an old or badly installed drain, including leaks, rough surfaces, collapsing earthenware sections of a drain on older drains. For this process, we're using an epoxy-soaked inversion liner, which is clamped into a pressure vessel, and then pressurized air is used to inflate the liner inversely through the pipe, pushing the epoxy-soaked felt against the pipe surface and keeping it there under pressure until it is dry enough to hold itself in place, and then it cures as a new sleeve throughout the pipe. Looks like the Hulk's. A pressure cap is fitted and the liner is kept under pressure until the liner is dried sufficiently to cut. Looking into the dried product, we can see a bit of light coming in from the larger holes. The entire pipe section is covered with a nice, smooth, versatile lining, a couple of millimeters thick. Notice how the transition from the pipe over the fittings is also smooth, eliminating any sharp pipe edges or fitting joints. These are all added benefits above just a fault repair. Just to have a look at an exposed cross-section. Half a 45 bend, a pipe, and a 45 bend and a piece of pipe. A cross-section. And that's literally with nothing holding it. It's a perfect sleeve, hugging the form of the pipe. And 50mm hole in the pipe. Fully sealed and looks good.